Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to score the best deal on dashcams by comparing the prices across top online platforms in North America and China. We look at the top-rated models in bestsellers and featured categories and find out where you can get the best value for your money. Whether you are an individual shopper, retailer, or wholesaler, if you're looking for save big while getting great quality or boost your profits, keep watching. If we search dashcam on Amazon US, choose front and rear and sort by best sellers, the top brand of product in America is Red Tiger. It has core features such as front and rear dash camera, included 22GB card night vision, wide angle, and 24-hour parking mode. The price with discount is about $130. Considering other factors such as tax, shipping, and coupon savings, the order total will be about, I can choose free delivery. So the total order will be about $120. Now we can to Canada. With the same search terms, we can see the best seller is also Red Tiger. This product shares the same features, but with less discount. The price is about $180. Considering tax, shipping, and coupon savings, the order total is about, $158, just $38 more than that in the US. How about the product in China? Let's search in Taobao with the same search terms. And the best seller on Taobao is Jado. The first one, this one, Jado. It also has the same core features as the Red Tiger, but as you see, the price is only about $27, even including the shipping. So let's consider the economy consolidation air freight. Wow! If I ship to Canada, let's change the address, and the total order almost the same. The money you paid on Amazon for one dashcam can buy more than 4 on Taobao. Next, let's compare the featured dashcams in North America and China. Search dashcam on Amazon. Choose front and rear and sort by featured. The top product in the US is also Red Tiger. With the same feature and the same price, about $130 in Canada, using the same searching terms. Let's find the top product. Wow, it's the same brand, Red Tiger, but with a little higher price. Let's see the detail of the product. It's with a 64GB card. You can support at most 256GB recorder. The price is about $190. Considering other factors, the order total will be about $215. Searching on Taobao, let's see if the top featured product is the same brand. Well, the answer is yes, Jado. So is the price. It's amazing. It turns out that when the product's core features are similar, the main factor that impact our decision is price. See the difference? Similar products cost several times more in North America than they do in China. Why is that? Because China benefits from its lower manufacturing and shipping costs. I took a closer look at 1688.com, a major wholesale platform in China, and found some eye-opening quotes. Okay, let's take the dashcam as an example. What is the cost of a product with similar specs to those we searched on Taobao and Amazon? On these wholesale sites with similar features, Let's choose the manufacturer's code and sort by best sellers. The prices can start as low as $7. And that's just the beginning. Manufacturers often offer even lower prices than what you see online. Think about the savings and profit potential. I have access to these low prices. DM me if you're interested in boosting your profits.